Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Citroen 3-button remote key fob. First, what we need to do is to remove this cover here which houses the key fob battery. We get a very small flat-headed screwdriver and place it under the indentations at the end and twist to remove the cover like so. And there is your key fob battery. We need to get a little screwdriver again and get it underneath the battery and remove it like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032 like this one. We get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. Make sure the writing is facing upwards in its correct position. We pop the cover back on, make sure everything's lined up, and we click it in place and we're good to go.